Hello, I want to show you how to use Chrome's speech to text. First, you would go to your Google Drive and bring up a Google Doc, which I've done. If you don't remember how to do that, you would go to your Google Drive, right? Click here, New, and click on Google Docs and bring up a doc. Once you have a Google Doc open, you would go to Tools, click on it, and this drop down would appear. Go down to voice typing, click on it, and this will appear. You want to click on it, click to speak. You'll have another pop-up appear and it says use your microphone. You want to click allow. Notice this turns red, period. As you can see, now everything I'm saying, comma, is being recorded by the onboard software, period. Now, when you use this, comma, you will need to put in punctuation, period. And you want to speak at a normal rate, period. You also will want to speak clearly, period. You will want to be in a fairly quiet setting, period. Once you're done, you can enlarge the print and double space the print so you can more easily see what you might want to revise, period. And that's all there is to it, period. Just remember to click the microphone one more time to turn it off. Okay, I hope that helps.